Assalamualaikum! For today's vlog, samahan ninyo ako sa aking A Day in My Life as a OFW. Akala nyo ba? If nasa Saudi ka ay puro gala, shopping at magandang buhay. Well, welcome to my reality. A day in my life as a pull-out staff in dental department dito, sir. Dito, besh, hindi lang ngipin ang inaalagaan. Kailangan pati budget ng mental health. Good morning, Riyadh. Another day, another love. Gising, prepare, BS, then pasok sa work. As a pull-out staff, kailangan ready ka anytime. Kung saan ka kailangan, doon ka pupunta. Today, dental department naman tayo. At syempre, bago magsimula ang duty, dapat dala ka din ng maraming pasensya, be. Kasi minsan, hindi lang sipag ang kailangan natin, kundi motivation, be. Pagdating sa dental department, work mode na tayo. Checking the area, preparing the things needed, assisting the team, and making sure everything is ready for the patient. Minsan, tahimik lang ang trabaho, pero sa loob ng utak ko, okay, kaya natin to. For family, for the future, at sa lahat ng ating mga bills. OFW life is not always glamorous. Behind every clean uniform, may pagod. Behind every smile, may homesick. At behind every salary, may naghihintay na bills sa Pilipinas. Pero kahit nakakapagod, I always remind myself when I am here. Malayo man ako sa family ko, every day that I show up for work is another step towards our dreams. Hindi madaling maging OFW. You miss birthdays, celebrations, simpleng family moments, and especially the kids. Pero kinakaya, hindi dahil tayo napagod, kundi dahil may dahilan tayo kung bakit tayo lumalaban. Drama yarn. So, kidding aside nga guys, so that's a little glimpse of my day as a pull-out in dental staff here in Riyadh. Kung OFW ka rin, remember, hindi madali ang trabaho na ginagawa mo. Every honest work, kahit gaano kasimple, has value. Keep going, keep learning, and always take care of yourself. After all, because we work hard for our family. Pero huwag natin kalimutan na kailangan din natin alagaan ng sarili. At dahil dyan, coffee time! Ayan, at ako ay uminom na ng aking kape guys kasi nai-stress na ang beshi nyo. As your fellow OFW, laban lang sa buhay. Kaya natin to. This is Mar, your Tausog Hijabi, currently living here in Riyadh. Bye! See you in my next vlog. Mwah! Bye! Shukran!